What is good, man? It's your boy Queezy, man. Back again with another exclusive review, man. This time, we got a big boy package from Temu, man. We about to get right into it, man. Let's do it. This right here took probably like 2 weeks. 2 weeks or so. First thing first, we got this. What this is? This look like a phone holder. Okay. Wow, that bit come in 2 pieces. This part hold the phone. This the part that clip onto your like your dash, like above your steering wheel, you feel me? Had to grab this. This is super cheap. Super cheap. Had to grab it. You know, just sit that to the side. You feel me? I got some big pieces in here too now. Hold on. Sheesh. Let's see. So I got these. I think these my girl size, but well, I went Temu Yeezy'S, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see them. I don't want to take them out the package, but they look crazy. These my girls. Then you know I had to get myself the matching pair, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing with them, bro. Stop playing. These about to go so crazy in the summer. Woo! Y'all ain't ready for them. Y'all ain't ready for them. Then I had to get my kids a little hammock for their little stuffed animals, you know what I'm saying? That joint fire. That's fire. And then you know I gotta get the travel case for the microphone, man, when I'm traveling different cities, man, different states, coming to a city near you. And last but not least, I got some guards for my clippers. You know what I'm saying? Cut my own hair, man. You dig? And I got some Xbox controller backs. I needed these. Y'all just don't know, man. But that's it, man.